Okay, now I will explain how much distance we must keep behind car and truck. So if you see in this, it's going that side. As you can see the arrow, there's a traffic signal, pedestrian crossing, and this all car stop behind the stop line of traffic signal. Now, if you see this first and the second car not keeping enough distance from stop line and behind also another car, but this car is keeping more distance here, and the reason behind that is because behind there's no one, and that's why that car is keeping that much distance. When no one is behind you, you are the last one in a queue of roundabout, traffic signal, or anywhere. You need to keep at least one car length in front of you. And sometimes people say that, oh, if you keep that distance, people will come in that gap from right or left. But remember, you're the last one in a queue, there's no one behind you, then no one is beside you maybe also. And then when you keep that distance, no one will come in that distance because there is no one beside and behind. So when someone reaches you from behind and stops safely, then you can go close and stop where you can see the front vehicle's rear tire. If you come down here, see this picture, two car stopping at the traffic light, one car is stopped, you're in this car, and while sitting in this car, if you can see the front vehicle's rear tire touching the ground point, that means that's a good distance. And why we keep this distance is because when the front car break down or front car driver is not moving or anything happens, you can just turn and can move. That's why we must keep this distance. And if someone hit you from behind also, you don't hit the front car, and that's why we must keep this distance. Now, how much distance we must keep behind truck? Now, the problem is the truck is big. Any big car block our visibility, and we can't see what is after the truck also. That's also another point where we need to keep good distance. Okay, after the truck there is a car, and let's see, if this car got fire, the truck driver definitely wanted to go back. And the problem is the truck driver can't see exactly behind the truck. That's a blind spot for the truck. And if I'm this close, the truck driver will come reverse and hit me. And if I use horn also, the truck driver is sitting up here and he can't hear my horn maybe. So that's why I need to be careful and keep more distance whenever you are behind truck. And you need to be close to right or left. Why I'm saying when you need to be close to the right line or left line is because when you keep that position, you can see the driver's side mirror or the another side mirror. When you can see the mirror means the driver can see you. When driver can see you, he will not reverse by knowing you are there, and you will be saved. So that's why we keep more distance behind the truck also.